Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be doing an advanced samba solo routine. First, we're going to take it section by section and then we're going to put them together and dance it with music. Okay guys, now the first section. We start with our feet together, right foot prepares to dance. We do together, right foot back, and replace the left foot forward. We're gonna go into the Cruzado walk. We have Cruzado, Cruzado, now a Merengue Run, Merengue Run. From here, we have a change of direction, forward, replace, forward, and again, Cruzado, Cruzado, Merengue Run, another change of direction, change of direction. From here, we're gonna go into a Corta Jaca. We are gonna step forward with our right foot, and we're gonna go into the diagonal. We have heel, toe, heel, switch, stepping back with the left, and toe, heel, toe, end. So we just completed a full turn during that Corta Jaca. Now we're gonna go into a whisk, side, cross, replace, side, cross, replace, side, cross, replace, side, cross, replace. From here, we're gonna bring our feet together, left foot to the side, and we're just gonna have a samba bounce. Bounce and bounce. Okay, now with the counts. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, now the second section. We just finished our samba bounce. We are going to be going into a box step. Left foot going forward. Cross, side, back, back, side, cross. Do it again. Cross, side, back, back, side, cross. From here, we are going to be going into Batucadas. But first, we are going to do a little switch hip action. So we're going to step to the side with the left, collect the feet together, the right foot in front, and then it's going to step back. So one more time. We just finished this last box. We take an extra step to the side, right foot collects in front to then go back. Then we have a slow batucada, slow batucada. Then we're gonna do 4 quick ones, and stop. We're gonna have a quarter of a turn to the right and do 2 batucadas. 1, 2, and again, another quarter of a turn to the right. Right foot back, left foot back. Another quarter of a turn to the right. Right foot back, left foot back. And from here, we're gonna do the last quarter of a turn to face back to the front. Point our right foot out to the side. And then, starting from the beginning, right foot behind, left foot replace. Alrighty guys, now with the counts. So we just finished our Samba Bounce, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put the first and second section together with my counts, and then after we'll do it with music. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video a bit difficult, we do have an intermediate and beginner samba solo routine, so you can go check those out. Thanks for watching. Bye.